I was letting it soak. I just gave it a nice quick new spray on. And now my speed sensor is actually showing. I want to get all the gunk off of this thing now. Who knows, maybe I'll make it operate like new. I won't have to waste money on replacement. And if I do, that's life, because I like this truck. I was like, junk it, get rid of it. But you know what? I don't abandon machines because of their age. I prefer to fix them up and make them run good again. That's kind of what I do. If you watch my HVAC channel, you know. I like keeping old things running. That's probably why I got the clientele I do. I'm not okay, time to sell, time to replace. Okay, well, this is enough. Wiping it like that. All these rags. Alright, so this is starting to dry rot and everything, so I made a gasket. I don't think it really matters. I think it's just, I don't know what it does. But I figure this is getting closer to the point of putting it back on. I don't want to get too crazy with this, but really fast. Okay. Oh, it put itself back up. Just wipe the little bit of dust that is here off. Not like it matters at this point. This is gonna go right back here on that gasket. Let me do the same thing though real fast right here. That'll knock any crap off of here. Then I can clean this shield, which is pretty disgusting, but this is gonna sit here. So I think that gasket just kind of helps with vibration a little. Could be wrong. Somebody please let me know in the comments section what it does. Like I said, I'm not an auto mechanic, I'm an HVAC guy who likes to fix this stuff up. So this is fine how this is. This is what I want to clean up. Probably should just use some brake part cleaner, but not sure how it is for the sensor. See if this can help break some of this gunk off an old toothbrush. Good. The fasteners for this. This is one. Keep this from flopping. You may have to remove it to clean the back of the sensor. I painted the thread a little. is why my projects take too long. I'm doing things that probably most people are like, whatever, it's a waste of time. When somebody asks me, why don't I just bring it to an auto mechanic? Nothing wrong with auto mechanics. They may not have the right time to do what I'm doing. And also, they may also look at it like, I don't want to be charging this guy for all this work when he didn't bring it in for that. I don't blame anybody. I know how most shops operate. Rush, rush, rush. Get it done. And then you have customers coming in crying and bitching about the bill all the time. Yeah, just like fix my stuff and make it look nice. Nobody's gonna see this. But me. Alright, so I placed all the bolts in. This has a nut and bolt on it. It's all 13mm. These are all in the frame. Last one. Okay, so now, good. 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 Alright, so I cleaned up the speed sensor and put the shield back on. Now it's pretty much just greasing, bearings, sliding rotor, getting everything else back on. I gotta go to a family event now, so